Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's learn this easy style together. You can see what is on my hand is Seiko material. Very soft Seiko material. It's not strong, it's not hard any longer. It's very light. So don't throw away your head wrap when it becomes very soft. I see some styles you can use it for. Alright, the division is 50-50. So I placed it on my head this way. Then I started picking my pleats. I'll just pick and drop, pick and drop. All right, so I'm going to take about 4 pleats or 5 pleats because I want to use the remaining part and close the back. Then if you know you don't want to close the back, you have a beautiful hair, you can go ahead and pleat everything. Yes, this head wrap style, you can keep the back open if you wish. All right, so arranging your pleat both sides and middle now by the side, then taking everything to the back this way, I cross it. Just simple crossing. Now I started twisting this. Pay attention to my hand. I started twisting it. I twisted it halfway. I didn't twist everything. I twisted it halfway. Then raising just one part. You see the way I pick it up now. Okay, I pick it up and the wrong side of the fabric is in the front, so that when I flip it, you get the right part of the fabric. All right, so I pin it in the middle. I raise that last pleat up a little and then pin it together with this. Okay, just raise it up a little and then pin. If you don't know how to pin directly, please raise the material up like this and pin, so that you will not pin your score all in the name of tying head wrap. You can see I have secured that side now. So what I did to this side, that is what I'm going to do here now. Twist it a little bit halfway, then pick it up from one side. You see what I am doing? Then I will bring it down again and then pin it with your office pin. By so doing, you have secured the base of this head wrap. So what is left now is for us to come and create the style that I want to create in the middle, or the finishing part of the head wrap. All right, so raising this part up now, watch what I am doing. Raise this part up now, then I drop this side. You see it? I drop it, then I started folding it. I started folding, squeezing. I don't know the language you want to use, but at the end we are going to create a rufus. You can see it already in that picture there. So folding it like this and bring that edge down, I'll pin it on the base of the head wrap. Watch what I am doing. So I pick my office pin now and then pin it on the base of that head wrap. All right, that is the last pleat that we have. You know, I pleated it. All right, so pinning it there now. Then what I did to this other side, that is what I'm going to do here now. Flipping everything, then I'll pick it up this way, then drop this edge, rotate it down, and then start folding it. Start folding it, start squeezing it. Watch what I am doing. That edge that I drop now, I'll fold it inside. Watch now. I'm going to fold it inside. You see me dragging it now. So that edge now, I'll fold it inside. So this other edge that I raised up is what I'll use to bring it down this way. Okay, just bring it down like this, and then the next thing to do now is to pick your office pin and pin it. The head wrap is not all that difficult. It's very easy, very simple. If actually you pay attention to it, if actually you focus your eyes on what I am doing. It's very easy. Yes, now you can see I'm going to raise them up this way. Remember, the fabric is very soft, so raising it up this way, I merge two of them together with office pin. So when I pin it together now, you can see that it's a little bit strong and firm on your head. So what is left now is for me to start arranging it, arrange it to my desired taste. Right, if you have watched to this point, I say kudos to all my subscribers, both new ones and old ones. I say kudos to you all. Thanks for being there. And those of you who is watching without subscribing, please subscribe to my channel. Let's learn head wrap together. I bet you is beginners friendly. You will learn a lot of simple, easy style. Alright, so the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. So do well to drop your like, your comment on the comment section. Do not just watch and walk away. Say something that will encourage me. Subscribe if actually you're benefiting from this channel. Subscribe so that whenever I drop video, you'll be the first to get it. Alright, so you can see I'm still adjusting it. That middle looks as if it's open, that place that I made them together. So pushing it together more, I pin it from the back, then continue the arranging. Now inside the circle, you can pick at random any side that is popping out. You can just pick it or squeeze it at random and pin. You see what I did there now? So this other side now, I'm using my hands to cross check it. Anywhere that you see that is popping out or is swelling, use your office pin and hold it. Some of the time or at times, tying head wrap is using your discretion, especially when it comes to arranging it. Okay, because the way I tie it and get this result now, definitely if another person ties it, he might not get the same exact results. All right, so you can see now. Let's close the back. Just bring the whole excesses down, bring it down, then use your office pin to pin it. Our head wrap is getting ready. It's just the back that is remaining now. So use your office pin and pin it down. You can see the head wrap is elegantly standing. Okay, so that is what the back look like, beautifully closed. You can see. So as I said before, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire. Do well to drop your like and your comments on the comment section. Share my videos, let others benefit from you too. Above all, subscribe. Do not leave me alone. Don't watch and walk away. Yes, you. See you in my next video.